Recovered an old BK5 file from a WordPerfect 5 era hard drive? These are automatic backup files from a classic word processor. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these WordPerfect 5 backup files. Before we get technical, the simplest step is often overlooked, installing a general file opening utility. This often works when the specific BK5 application fails. More details to follow. Users encounter .BK5 files when they need to recover a document created with WordPerfect 5, a once-dominant word processor. This file is an automatically generated backup, and the user's primary goal is to restore lost work by opening it in a compatible program and saving it as a standard document. The .BK5 file mirrors the structure of the primary .WP document, using a proprietary binary format with embedded formatting codes. This design was intended for quick, automatic saves by the software, providing a simple recovery mechanism in case of a program crash or accidental closure without saving changes. Coral WordPerfect 5 from Coral is the core program design for the BK5 structure. Native Windows association often leads to errors due to the file's complexity and proprietary format. Windows doesn't load backup snapshots, so specialized software must restore or browse the data. Open the menu by right-clicking your BK5 file and choosing Open With. Test Coral WordPerfect 5 if it's there. If it's absent, select another application. Different apps handle the BK5 file differently. If your BK5 file will not open yet, do not panic. The system isn't broken. The file is simply misunderstood. Here are the most common technical causes for this BK5 error before we apply the universal fix. First, opening in WordPerfect. If you have a current WordPerfect installation from Coral, launch the application and use File then Open. Selecting the BK5 file with All Files filter active. WordPerfect's import filters include support for legacy formats. The document loads with formatting preserved, enabling continued editing or conversion to modern document formats. Next, renaming for compatibility. Try renaming the BK5 file extension to .dupd or .wp5 for better recognition by modern word processors. The internal format remains unchanged, but the standard extension helps applications identify the file type. Modern WordPerfect or LibreOffice. Writer with appropriate import filters, then open the rename file successfully. Finally, converting in LibreOffice. Open the BK5 file in LibreOffice. Writer using File, then Open with All Files filter. LibreOffice includes import filters for various WordPerfect versions and may successfully open the file. Save the imported content as ODT or DOCX format, ensuring continued accessibility through modern word processing applications without dependencies on legacy software. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.